Oops, sorry. Second part. So like I said, here you have the ankles area and you have the ankle fins, kind of. From the side, it's on the side here. Those ones here on the side, here too. Wow, like I said, it's very fleshy. It's very like jellyfish. You can really feel like the same effect like a jellyfish. Because yeah, actually I didn't see it. I didn't say it, but actually my tail, it's the replica of the tail of Syrena from Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides, the 4th movie. So I had a big crush on her tail. I love the tangerine gold colors. I love the fins, the long fluke that you will see later, of course. Can't wait to show you. And all those gorgeous side fins and long and majestic. This is very beautiful. Oh, here we go. You can see the orange here. The tangerine gold here. You can see very well here too. This orange here. Actually, it's a mix of orange, a tangerine, and pink. Actually, you have some pink on it, but like pink like the flesh. Pink flesh, actually, not pink like Barbie. It's very like some reflects actually. Oh, it's beautiful. And you have all over here, you have the white, shiny white, just a little bit of pink too. It's very beautiful. So yeah. Oh, and you can see here the dark part, which is very very blended, very well done. Oh, focus. Okay. So yeah, with some fins here. It's not movable actually. The fins are just stuck on the fluke here. It's gorgeous. It's very well done. I love it very much. You can see the nerves, kind of, here. And you have dark part here. And here it's more like very dark orange, dark tangerine, and goldy here. And you have and orange, tangerine here. The title is very well done. It's very beautiful. Richard made an amazing job for this. I love very much.